Alright, welcome back to a new Roblox video. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to make a circular spawn point. So basically, what you want to do is find some way to get a part that's circular. Now, you can use oh, my rotation's off. There we go. So if I have it like this, I can just make something really quick like that. And I can sort of just make this. Now the thing with this is it's not the smoothest. So I'm sure you could find some things in the toolbox, like if I search circular part or something. I'm not going to in this example. But what I am going to do is use this plugin, CSD primitives. By the way, I'll leave both of the plugins I'm showing in the description. So if I say cylinder, and then I put like a bunch of segments on it, and just spawn it like that, it will be here, and that'll look a lot more circular. You probably want to find someone who's like put a circular mesh into the game though, as that would be more more accurate and things like that. It would be more like just circular in general. But basically, all you need to do, I'm gonna delete this basic or this normal spawn point. I'm gonna scale this up a little. You know what? That was good how it was. And I'm also going to, where's my properties? Alright. I'm going to change the size on this so it's one. Well, yeah, if you have a union, this plugin made a union, so you can't really scale it easily. But basically, all you need to do is use the reclass plugin by LTOB and basically select this and then say spawn location. And if you do that, then it will not work. If you do it on this one, I think it works though. Yeah. So if you do it, I don't think you can do it on unions, sadly. But if we delete this from the game, you might be able to do it on meshes. You probably can. But basically, if I play the game, you'll see I don't start by falling out of the air. I'll start right here with a force field just like that. So anyway, that's going to do it for this tutorial. If you liked the video and it helped you, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel, as well as turning on post notifications to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, I have a Discord server. The link is in the description. Thanks, and goodbye.